Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between PropStream versus LoopNet. PropStream and LoopNet are both prominent platforms in the real estate industry, but they serve distinct purposes and cater to different user needs. The overview of PropStream is that it is a data-rich platform designed for real estate investors, wholesalers, and agents. It provides access to over 160 million properties across the US, combining MLS data, public records, and predictive analytics to assist in property analysis and lead generation. Key features of PropStream is that it accesses to ownership details, mortgage history, tax information, MLS listings, and more. It utilizes over 165 filters to identify motivated leads, including pre-foreclosures, absentee owners, and properties with high foreclosure risk. AI-powered tools for property condition analysis, estimated wholesale values, and foreclosure risk scores. It has tools for skip tracing, direct mail campaigns, and lead list automation, and it is available on both iOS and Android devices. Strength of PropStream is that it offers a vast database of properties with detailed information and has advanced analytics tools enhance property evaluation. Effective tools for identifying and reaching out to potential sellers. And the weakness of PropStream is that it priced at $99 per month, which may be steep for beginners, and some users find the interface less intuitive and outdated. It charges $0.10 per record for skip tracing, which can add up, and in non-disclosure states, property value estimates may be less reliable. While the overview of LoopNet is that it is a leading online marketplace for commercial real estate listings, offering properties for sale, lease, and acquisition. It caters primarily to commercial real estate professionals, including brokers, investors, and tenants. And the key features of LoopNet is that it accesses to a wide range of commercial properties, including offices, retail spaces, industrial buildings, and multifamily units. It refines searches by property type, location, price, and other criteria. It connects with commercial real estate brokers and agents and access to market trends and property performance data. The strength of LoopNet is that it tailored specifically for commercial real estate transactions and extensive database of commercial properties across various sectors, and has intuitive design for easy navigation and property discovery. And the weakness of LoopNet is that it has limited to commercial properties not suitable for residential real estate searches. And it lacks advanced investment analysis tools and marketing automation features, and property details and availability can vary based on the listing broker. So basically, this is the difference between PropStream versus LoopNet. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.